Monitor and act on metrics that are more robust and tailored to your needs with powerful custom metrics. To apply custom metrics, start at the navigation bar on the left. Click on Settings. Find the Custom Metrics option in the Data category. Select and then click Create Custom Metric on the upper right side. Now the Creation Wizard is ready to help. You have the option to create a new metric or clone an existing one. Let's go with a new custom metric. Fill in the details, like the name and description. The data type determines how the metric will be displayed. Finally, the formula allows you to configure your custom metric. Either type the metric name or click through the available options. The sky's the limit. Once you're happy with your formula, click Create. Your custom metric is now available as a widget for dashboards and reports. Okay, let's see it in action. Navigate to a client. Click on Edit Dashboard section and select Custom Metrics from the widget menu. Simply drag and drop it to your dashboard. And there you have it, custom metrics for a custom reporting experience. A cross-channel view of your conversions and revenue? Nothing basic about that. Get your free trial from AgencyAnalytics today and stay on top of client performance like never before.